5 seconds to go. Start. The allegations made in the complaint on 19th January 2013 was that the petitioner complainant's husband purchased one Tata 107 vehicle in the month of January, 2013 as he was involved in the business of transporting goods. Stop. On 18th January 2013, he left his home with a sum of rupees 70,000 for the purpose of installation of body of the said vehicle. Stop. It has been alleged that at the relevant point of time, he was wearing 3 gold rings weighing 2 boris, one gold chain of 2.5 boris and carrying one mobile phone and 3 bank ATM cards. Stop. At about 9:30 p.m., an acquaintance reported to her and informed that Kazi was purchasing from a shop at Dhania Khali after parking his vehicle, and at that point of time police personnel of Dhania Khali police station arrived and started arguing with him. Stop. They assaulted the deceased and took him to the police station where he was stripped of his clothes and was mercilessly beaten by the police who had killed him. Stop. Para. The main thrust of contention in this revisional application is that although the CBI investigated the case and the learned judicial magistrate, after considering the materials under section 207 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, framed charges under section 304A, 324, 342, 218, 34 of the Indian Penal Code, but on perusal of the documents relied upon by the prosecution, the complainant contends that a case either under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code or under section 304 of the Indian Penal Code has been made out. Stop. To that effect, the contention of the investigating officer in his report under section 173 CRPC, hereinafter referred as the report, are referred by the petitioner. Stop. At page 23 of the report, it has been stated that thereafter a police vehicle came there and deceased was forced into the vehicle by beating. Stop. At page 25 of the report, it has been contended that the shirt buttons of Qazi Nasuruddin were open and it appeared from CCTV images that he had been beaten brutally. Stop. In the CCTV footage, the deceased was seen feeling uneasy and was checking the blood from his ear and cheeks. Stop. At page 28 of the report, it has been contended that at about 11:10 p.m., Ghosh called Ali from his mobile phone and asked him to reach the police station immediately. Stop. Sabid Ali reached the police station within few minutes and found Qazi Nasuruddin unconscious. Stop. Qazi Nasuruddin was wearing nothing in the lower portion of the body and only banyan was on his body. Stop. Ghosh asked Sabib Ali to hold deceased as he became unconscious. Stop. Sabid Ali tried his best so that Qazi Nasuruddin could gain his consciousness, but in vain. Stop. At page 30 of the report, it has been contended that there are a number of injuries on the person of deceased as appearing in the CCTV footage and post-mortem report. Stop. However, S.I. Mondal prepared false inquest report showing no injury on the body of deceased Qazi Nasuruddin with the objective to save his colleagues from prosecution. Stop.